Hey friends, welcome to another product review. We got this Kaffe coffee bean grinder. And there it is. It's just this little stainless steel guy. It's got a grinding blade in there, and you put your beans in there, and then press the button. It won't turn on unless you have the little cap there. So that just kind of keeps your coffee grinds from going all over the place, of course. And then when you're done, you just dump it out into your filter or your coffee basket or your Keurig cups or whatever. So, yeah, this one works pretty good actually, you guys, and we're just going to go do a demonstration right now. Nothing like fresh ground coffee. It smells amazing. It's like the first thing in the morning. You put your beans in there, you grind them. It fills the air with that just fresh ground coffee smell. It's pretty hard to replicate anything like that. Just kind of wakes you up in the morning like you're breathing in caffeine. All right, let's go test it out. We'll show you guys how this works, my friends. All right, friends, so just take some of your coffee beans here and just pour them into right about level with that stainless steel top there. Okay, it smells good already. Put this on there and just press the button. Poor little coffee beans. Don't even stand a chance. Okay, and then you can grind it as fine as you want. I mean, it does a pretty good job. That looks pretty fine there. Okay, and then I guess if you're not careful, the powder it's kind of like static. It's attracted by a static electricity, I believe. So look at that. Look at that. It's clean. It's attacking me. Okay. So there you have it. And then you can just dump it in your jar, or if you have a filter that has kind of a little pour area here. And oh, no, we're having trouble. All right. Maybe you need a little funnel there. I guess if you're putting it into your coffee filter, it wouldn't be an issue, and then you can just grind up however much you want. So if you know like how much you need to make, then once you get it figured out, then you can just put that many beans in there and then just put it directly into your coffee filter for like the most effective. But you can see like it likes to stick in there. So it does, I believe it comes with this little brush, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. Comes with this little brush, and you can kind of get your coffee grounds out there. Not like the coffee grounds are going to go bad or anything and cause get all moldy. If there's like no moisture, I don't think there's any issue with this getting dirty or anything like that. So, oops, does like it's almost like it's electrically charged now, so it likes to hide in there. But yeah. So I would recommend, instead of having it in here so it stores your coffee, just figure out how much you need for your cup. If you do a certain amount every day, like 10 cups of coffee, like how many beans do you need, or where do you fill it up to get that amount? And then you can just put it right into your filter, or have a wider jar here, or a funnel for your coffee grounds. That works as well. Okay, guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day. See you next time. Hey friends, so one quick thing, as always, I got this off of Amazon. Right now, this is the #1 bestseller on the grinder out there, and it's running $21.95 right now on Amazon. I'll link it in the description below if you guys want to check it out. Super handy. It works great, as you can see. So I am an Amazon associate. If you click on the links and buy stuff, it helps out the channel. So that's cool. Much appreciated. If not, I appreciate the support. Thanks for watching this video. Thumbs up if you like it. And you guys have a wonderful day. Take care out there.